History and culture, the Great Seal, symbols and meanings. In the heart of our bustling city lies a grand museum, filled with relics and stories from around the world. Today, young Amara was about to embark on a new adventure, learning about the Great Seal of the United States. Amara stepped into the special exhibit, dedicated to the Great Seal. Her eyes widened as she took in the details, the bald eagle, the scales and the motti pluribus unum. The bald eagle was a symbol of strength and freedom, Amara learned. This powerful bird represented the United States, its strong character and resilience. The museum guide explained that the bald eagle holds a shield in one talon and arrows in the other, symbols of protection and power. The shield features 13 stripes, representing the original colonies, and 13 stars, representing the first states. Amara asked about the stripes and stars on the shield. The guide explained that they represented unity and strength in diversity, something Amara felt was important to remember. Amara was amazed to learn that the Great Seal had been used for hundreds of years. She couldn't believe how much history and tradition it represented. Amara felt inspired to create her own version of the Great Seal. She spent hours that day, and many more over the following weeks, learning as much as she could about its symbols and meanings. Finally, it was time for Amara to share her creation with her friends. She stood in front of the class, ready to teach them about the Great Seal and all its meanings. One by one, Amara's friends raised their hands to ask questions and show off their own versions of the Great Seal. It was a fun-filled day of learning and creativity. At the end of the day, Amara felt proud of herself and her friends for learning so much. She couldn't wait to continue exploring history and culture together. As she looked back on her adventure at the museum, Amara realized that the Great Seal wasn't just a symbol. It was a connection to the past and a reminder of the strength in diversity. She couldn't wait to learn more. Amara's journey to learn about the Great Seal wasn't just about memorizing symbols. It was about understanding history, culture, and unity. And most importantly, she learned that with curiosity and creativity, she could unlock a world of possibilities.